Today, I relate stories that are at the core of my research, what it means to represent histories that are often buried, submerged, or erased. 1982, Wadi Derna, Libya. Filipino men toil in labor camps. Having spent their entire savings to pay unscrupulous recruiters, they left the Philippines not always knowing when they would return. They carried one suitcase, a few personal items, a watch, a guitar, for family photographs. Their greatest hardship, loneliness. Their greatest solace, the stories that they carried on their voice tapes back home. They built roads and sewage systems, but to this day, no one knows about them. They do not exist in any recorded history. Thanks to workers like Che Guevara, my late father, who took this photograph, I could uncover these histories that are literally buried in Wadi Derna. Second story. Women who refer to themselves as robot teachers sit in front of a computer in Manila teaching English to children in Seoul. The children do not know they are learning English from a Filipina teacher like Miss Boo. All they see is this device with a white avatar face. The teachers' identities are invisibilized through the convergence of racial biases, global care chains, and xenophobia. They are akin to what filmmaker Alex Rivera calls cybraceros, all the labor without the worker, the perfect immigrant in xenophobic states. Third story. An elderly Appalachian man displaced to Chicago when the coal mines closed in the 50s stands in front of a barbed wire fence in Uptown, witnessing the demolition of a complex that once housed his family, their histories buried in the rubble of the Daily Machines urban renewal project that built Truman College. Activists marked the demolition with this mural depicting multiracial faces saying, "I owe you," reminding the college of its debt. The mural was demolished in 2014. The history of the 1,200 families who lived here also erased. These stories raise questions of what it means to uncover histories that are buried, invisibilized, and erased. The three stories are relevant today. Relevant as we witness the violent disappearance of immigrant communities by ICE. Relevant in the ease through which we adopt AI technologies without attending to the biases encoded in their design. Relevant in the erasure of DEI on this campus. UIC is a community that championed DEI long before it was institutionalized. It is a union campus that defends shared governance. It is a sanctuary campus that protects vulnerable communities. The system-wide anti-DEI policies represent the incremental erasure of these communities and their labor, the diminution of our responsibility to our surrounding communities, the invisibilization of the unlevel playing field undergirding affirmative action. As the Uptown community was watching Truman College, the communities beyond UIC are watching us. They are asking us to hold the line, to defend diversity as excellence. What stories do we want to tell? What stories do we want to defend? Thank you.